Hello everybody, good news! I have a very quick update. Hello everybody, welcome back to One Lens Only. A very quick update after I dropped my Leica Q2 because I'm in Milan city center, so I took the chance to swing by the Leica Store, which is right behind me. They have a thorough examination at my Leica Q2 and they said so far so good, so I can keep going. It's a tank. If the heat was harder, I would have seen stripes of burned or damaged pixels in the EVF, which is not the case, so I can keep going and use my camera despite these dents that I'm now showing on the top plate. Anyway, so far so good. No real harm has been done apart from the inner harm because it was a big hit for me. But apart from that, feel free to reach out if you have other questions. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come. And I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.